and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing good and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. Okay guys, so if you're very new to my channel and if you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below and take a moment to join to our family. And at the same time, if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and keep supporting guys. So without much late, let's get started. Basically this video is all about the review of Belavost products. So I don't know how it is pronounced, if it is Belavoste or Belavost, whatever, you can take it at your convenience. So yeah, I'm gonna review lip crayons from that particular brand. As you can see, I have three particular shades with me. So all these three are from Belavost and I have three particular shades with me. So also have another product from the Belavost category which is directly related to this product. I'll tell you at the end of this video what is this. So yeah, so let's start with the packaging. So packaging wise, I would say it is really great guys. So I should say their packaging is super sturdy. So if you could see, the cap is super fixing into this. So it is like this. You will get a sound if you just remove the cap, which means your product is securely safe inside. The cap is super tight and it is not that loose or flimsy, so that it comes out, the product comes out and the crayon will be damaged. So you don't have to worry about that. Even if you are putting it in your bags or wherever, the cap is super sturdy, so the product will not come out, and the lip crayon and the cap will not be separated. That is what I really like, though it is not a magnetic kind of a thing, but it is fitting inside quite well guys. So I really liked it. And if you could see, this is a black kind of a pencil. So this is basically a pencil. You have to sharpen it each and every time if the product is over. So you have to sharpen it to get the product out. So this is not a retractable one. That is what a small disadvantage which I felt. So it would have been a retractable one, it would have been much more easier for us to use, but this is you have to sharpen each and every time. Packaging is quite good, and you can see, if as they have given a transparent cap, you can easily see this shade and you can just pick it up which shade you want. So in that way it is really good, because otherwise the packaging is completely black, so it would have been a difficult task for us to open and check. Every time you have to open the cap and then check, that would have been a problem. But they have cleverly given us a transparent cap so that it is easy for us to choose the shade. So in that way I really liked it. And so it is written Belavost matte lip crayon. So as they are claiming it to be a matte thing, I will not say completely it is a matte one. It is not that matte, and at the same time it is not glossy. It lies in between guys, to be frank. It is not super matte, I should say. And so if you just do this, it is easily transferable as well, is what I have observed. So this is not completely matte and not quick drying. This has a how should I explain this? This is like a super soft cream. So it is like a cream kind of a texture. Though it is it looks like as if a matte thing, but it is a creamy kind of a texture, more towards cream. Though they are claiming it to be a matte one, I should say this is not completely matte, and it gives a soft and moisturizing effect on your lips. And then what I have to say about this is they are providing 2.8 grams of the product in this price range. So this is this retails for around, I forgot, right? This retails for around, I'm not remembering the exact price. I'll just give it on the screen. And this particular brand is available in purple. So in purple, every time you will get buy one get one offer for this. So every time you will find some of the other offers on this Belavost category. So you can definitely get in great offers guys. So I think the MRP of this is around 150 rupees like that, but every time you will get it 100-110 range. You can easily purchase this guys. And next what I have to speak about this is the shade numbers and everything is provided just below, and also it is given here in the bottom. It is given the shade number. So I have three particular shades with me, which are 04 Take My Breath Away, and 08 Live in the Life, and 11 Lean On. These are the three particular shades which I have for today. So I'll just quickly show you the swatches. So first one is 04 Take My Breath Away. So as you can see, this is the swatch. This is how it looks. This is like a red and pink shade, so mix of a red and pink color. So as I said, this is very easy to apply, and at the same time it is highly pigmented and it is super soft, I should say. Within a single stroke you get a good amount of color on your lips, and it is just really awesome, guys. And at the same time it is so soft to blend, and it is easy to carry as well. It is super light, and it doesn't feel as if you have applied some heavy product on your lips. It is super light, super soft, creamy texture it has. Matte, it is not perfect matte, and it is not super drying, and it is not and it is transferable. So this is how this shade looks. The next shade I will show is this 08 Living the Life. So this is also a very good shade, guys. This is completely a nude shade. This is like a nude shade. So if you could see here, it has a nudie lavender nude shade. I am really liking this, guys. I really like this particular shade because this is just superb, I should say. I really like this shade. Again, all the features of as I said earlier applies for all of this. And last shade is 11 Lean On. So this particular shade looks like this. So lighter version of this is this is more towards this mauve shade. So yeah, it looks like a mauve shade. Yeah, so this and this are slightly similar, but this has a darker tint. This is completely purple, light purple with a mauve shade. So it looks like this. So all of these three are just great, I should say. I really like the I really like the performance and everything. So if I had to say the disadvantages of this, they claim it to be a matte lipstick, lip crayon, but I would say this is not at all matte. This is easily transferable, not at all matte, and it lies into a between. To see it looks like it is not glossy, and at the same time it is not matte, guys. It lies in between. And at the same time, one disadvantage is it is easily transferable. So it is not it is not drying at all, and it is easily transferable. That is what I felt. Other than that, everything is just great. So in this price range, if you are looking for a superb lip crayon, then you can definitely go for this Bella Boss lip crayons, guys. I really liked it. So yeah, that's all for this. And if you are looking to purchase this particular lip crayons, you can definitely purchase this, guys. On a scale of 10, I would rate this 7 because it's actually transferable. So I give 7 out of 10. So this is my, so I would give a very big yes to this lip crayon. So if you are looking to purchase this lip crayons, you can definitely go ahead and purchase. Now here comes the last product which I kept to end of this video, is this particular product. So if I just open it, this is just a sharpener, guys. So this is a sharpener, and I should say if you want to use this particular lip crayons, you have to purchase this sharpener for sure, because I'll tell you the reason why. Because normal sharpeners you cannot sharpen, because if you see the packaging, it is a little bit fat than the other usual lip liners or lip pencils. It is bigger than that actually. So it is actually fatter than those lip pencils and lip crayons. So definitely this will not fit into the regular sharpeners. So if you had to sharpen this, you should definitely purchase this particular sharpener from Bella Boss, in which they are providing these particular 2 types of sharpeners. This is 2-in-1 actually. You can also put in the smaller pencil inside and as well as a bigger one. So this bigger one is obviously for this particular lip crayon. So if you could see, this correctly fits into this. So this is meant for sharpening this particular lip crayon. So I would say if you are purchasing this Bella Boss lip crayons, you should mandatorily purchase this sharpener as well. Otherwise it will be a tricky task for you to sharpen this lip crayons, and it also damages if you are removing it with any blade or anything like that. And obviously it will not fit into your ordinary sharpeners, because this is fatter when compared with the other lip crayons or lip liners. So you should definitely have to purchase this. So I would say if you are purchasing this Bella Boss lip crayons, do not forget to purchase this sharpener as well, because as it only fits into this particular bigger sharpener. So this is what I had to tell, and this was like I had some buy one get one free offer, I said, right? So when I purchased this lip crayon, I got this for free because it was buy one get one. So if you purchase any one, the other one will be automatically of zero value. So I got this for free. Other than that, if you had to purchase this, the MRP of this is I think 100 rupees or something like that. So you have to definitely purchase this, guys. So this is what I had to remind you if you are purchasing this Bella Vosti lip crayons. So do not forget to purchase this shampoo. So yeah, that's all for today. So hope you have liked my video. If you're liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, and also share your valuable comments in the comment section below. And if you want me to do any kind of a content, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll just definitely try to do that. And yeah, that's all for today. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.